Hi everyone! So today we are going to be continuing with our Soya Chunks Soy Curls recipe series, and a ton of you guys had requested that I start using these to show you guys how to make different types of recipes. And Soya Chunks Soya Curls, they are super affordable, they are cheap, they are shelf stable, they are light, they cook up super quickly. So it is really an amazing product. And this time I am going to show you guys a really easy stir-fry sauce with a ton of vegetables with the soy curls that we're going to pour over a bed of hot rice. And you can cook the whole thing from start to finish in about 20 minutes flat. So it's an amazing dinner for you and your family, and it's just super delicious. So I can't wait to show you guys this recipe. Alrighty, so start those timers. I have a half a carrot that I've sliced, some cremini mushrooms, some bok choy there, and then a half a cup of soy curls. So recipe is all going to be down below, and I'm going to put the mushrooms and the carrots along with the soy curls in first, because I know that my greens are going to cook pretty quickly towards the end. And I'm adding 2 cups of vegetable stock, but I'm only putting in about a cup and a half. And then in goes about a tablespoon of a vegan oyster sauce or a vegan stir-fry sauce. And I'm going to bring this up to a boil and then cook it for right around 5 to 6 minutes so that the soy curls and everything inside has a chance to absorb all of that flavor. Okay, so time for the slurry. This all happens really quick, so I hope y'all have your rice ready. I have 2 to 3 teaspoons of cornstarch that I'm mixing with the rest of the vegetable stock, and it really just depends on how thick or thin you like your sauce. So I'm gonna pour that in. Everything's rehydrated, the carrots have slightly softened by this point, and then I'm going to put in my greens because I know that they only take about 1 to 2 minutes to fully cook. Alrighty, so at this point I add in a pinch of white pepper, and that brings everything together. But you want to adjust for seasoning, so maybe it needs a little bit of salt, maybe you want to put in a little bit of sugar, but at this point it is all good to go. You can pour it over a bed of hot rice, or you could actually do it with noodles as well. Oh my gosh, this dish is so good. It's so comforting because I love like a light sauce over my rice. It just brings everything together. And it was so quick and so easy to make. Definitely a dish with way more payoff than it actually took time to make. Anyways, I hope you all have enjoyed this recipe. If you think of anything else that you would like to see me make, definitely put it down in the comments below. You have any questions, etc., etc. I would love to hear them. As usual, if you want to see more recipes like this, remember to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you guys all again next time. Bye!